recommended to remove and clean the mop pad holder and the 2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank.
The name of the app is Mi Home and the app is feature rich. You can see the battery percentage, cleaning time and the area cleaned on the top. Below is a virtual map of the place which gets updated in real time as soon as the host begins the cleanup process. You can even choose the cleanup mode between silent, standard, strong or turbo. For normal use the standard is enough, but if you have carpets at home then it is recommended to use strong or turbo mode. You can also schedule the cleanup. Just set the time, set the repeat counter whether it's once daily, weekdays, weekends or custom, and you're good to go. Under map management, you can create virtual walls and reset the map. If you go to the settings, you can see the entire cleaning history, and under experimental features, you can enable the map saving mode, which will allow you to save maps, set virtual walls, and restrict areas which are a no-go. At the end, the app is a home run and we cannot ask for a better app than this. Alright guys, final thoughts. This is a godsend product.
So guys, welcome back to TechDaveMT. Here is the follow-up video to when we unboxed the Xiaomi Essential Robot Vacuum and Mop. With the help of my daughter Kirsty today, we will show you a short demo of the robot. As you can see here, we have the robot itself. It comes in white in my case. On the top there is the button for the home button or switch on, switch off. You can send it to its charging station manually, or else when the robot senses that its battery is getting low, it goes back to its charging station on its own, which is amazing. Here we have the front big sensor, which is in black, and as Chris is showing, if it bumps into things, it has its bumper, so to say. It goes in and out, and the two brushes, which we will show you in a short while when we show you the underneath it, so to say. On the top there is the compartment, which Kirsty will show us. If you flip that, as I showed you in the unboxing video, you have the compartment of the dustbin there, which can go out just like that, as Kirsty will be showing now in a while. And we already have some dirt, house dirt there. And if you put it back in the dustbin compartment, it clips back in the robot, and you have the nozzle there from where you can insert, input, fill, that's the word, fill the water for the mop. Now let's show you underneath the robot, as I had showed you briefly in the unboxing video. If we flip it upside down, we have the two brushes, of course. We have the gyro thingy going round, brushes and the gyro thingy, and we have the wheels, and then we have the brush, the main brush, which can be cleaned. It comes out easily and it goes back in, as Kirsty is showing right now, as you can see. Apart from the brush, we have also the mop, which when you fill up the tank with water, you can clip the mop and clean, obviously, the floors, as one can presume. Kirsty will be showing how it can be clipped off and on, and can be washed. Right now it's a bit used, our mop, but it can be washed and clipped on again, like so. So, on for a short demo. Ferret or pet food, although it's stinky, but it isn't poo, so don't worry. In our case, we will show you a short vacuum demo. Let's put it on, Kirsty.
The water tank is hot.
So that's it, guys. As you can see, the Xiaomi Essential Mop vacuum robot is very helpful around the house. This is the future. Me and my wife will be home working every day, especially in this pandemic, and this can be a helping hand while kids are at school, especially if you, like us, have pets. Consider it. I will link the purchasing Amazon link below. Let me know if you like these type of robots or will be using them or buy them. Comment, like, and especially please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.